What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Are you sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like you're working hard but barely getting ahead? You're not alone. Most people have no idea how to actually manage their money, let alone become financially free. But it doesn't have to be complicated. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a clear 5-step plan that anyone can follow to take control of their finances and build long-term wealth. I promise you, if you follow this plan, you won't be broke anymore. Step No. 1. Know your numbers. Can't fix what you don't measure. Write down exactly how much you earn, how much you spend, and what you owe. This is your starting point. Without this, any money advice is just guesswork. Be honest with yourself. How much did you earn last month? What was your average daily spend? What do you owe in credit cards, personal loans, or your mortgage? Write it all down. There's no shame in your numbers. They're just numbers. But you must know them to make a plan, so write them down. Step No. 2. Build a safety net. Before you think about investing, you need protection. Save at least $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. This is your shield against financial disasters. It won't protect you from everything, but it will stop small problems from becoming big ones. To get this money together, fast. Sell stuff you don't need. Cut non-essential spending, like eating out, subscriptions, or new clothes. Or take on a side gig like driving Uber or doing DoorDash. Whatever it takes, get this money saved. And keep it separate from your regular checking account. Out of sight, out of mind. When you have this safety net in place, you're ready for step 3. Destroy bad debt. Credit cards and high-interest loans are like a leak in your bucket. The longer you ignore them, the more they drain you. Get a clear list of all your bad debts, including the minimum payments and interest rates. Now focus on paying off the smallest balance first. This is the snowball method, or focus on the highest interest first. This is the avalanche method. Either way, attack it aggressively. Pay more than the minimum balance every single month and throw every extra dollar you have at these debts until they re-gone. Once you're done, you'll feel so much lighter. And once you're done, you're ready for step 4. Grow your gap. Your gap is the difference between what you earn and what you spend. A bigger gap means more money for savings and investments. So how do you grow your gap? First, increase your income. Invest in your skills. Take on a side hustle. Ask for a raise or promotion. Anything that brings in more money. Second, reduce your big expenses. Look at housing, transport, subscriptions, insurance. Can you get better deals anywhere? Can you cut back or cancel anything? Even saving $5 a month adds up. Third, avoid impulse spending. Don't buy things you don't need. If you want something, wait 24 hours before buying it. You'll forget all about it, or you'll realize you really do need it and want it enough to pay for it without guilt. This takes discipline and patience, but growing your gap is worth it. The bigger it is, the faster you can reach step 5. Invest for freedom. Once your debt is gone and you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in an emergency fund, it's time to invest. Don't panic. I promise it's not as complicated as it seems. First, open a new investment account like a Roth IRA. Then start with simple, low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track an index like the S&P 500. They're a great way to start because they re-diversified. Just buy and hold. Then set up automatic contributions every month. The best time to invest is right now, and the best time to start was yesterday. So start today. Decide how much you'll invest each month and make it automatic. Don't touch it. Even if the market goes down, just keep contributing. Over time, compound growth will do the heavy lifting. And remember, investing is for freedom, financial freedom, not in the debt. So there you have it, your 5-step plan to go from broke to financially free. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you follow the plan. Start with step 1 today, and in a few years you'll look back and see how far you've come. Subscribe for more step-by-step money guides, and check out these awesome videos here. See you next time.